Take a ride in the 2021 Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? And is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, panoramic sunroof, alloy wheels, wheel locks, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control. Come take a test drive today.
Hyundai certified vehicles will provide you the confidence you desire in your next vehicle. All certified Hyundais come with a limited powertrain warranty, a comprehensive inspection, roadside assistance, and much more. Contact your Hyundai dealer today to learn more about the Hyundai certified program.